Put them back here.
Here we go. Up, cup, up, cup.
Hello.
Hello, how are you guys doing?
Good, good.
Good, we got. I know we have 3 pups up. How are you guys doing?
Pretty good. Kind of hungry.
Want some dog treats?
Oh yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna tear it up right now.
You're like, I'll take anything. Where are these wearing on the car? Do you have your dog?
Yeah, they're right here. They're in the back.
Is there 3?
Yeah, they're in the back. There's one right now. You can see.
Oh my
There's,
god, his paws are up?
yeah, then there's another pug.
More puppies. Well, I'll hand you these first. Where are they? Oh, in the back. Alright, have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
I'm gonna throw up. That's horrible.
That was delicious. It actually tastes like a cookie. I felt it in my stomach.
I almost threw up watching you eat that. I was like, fuck.
Survival of the fittest.
No, you ain't catching me eating no pup cup. Oh, we should have brought a ball so I could play fetch with my dog.
You look like a cop.
You do.
Like a cop?
A little bit.
Is that a good look? You a op?
It's not bad. I like it.
Out.
Looks
Look at your
good.
back. What do you think?
Just looking.
Baby Swizzle. I don't have words to describe this beautiful day.
Oh! Okay, okay, okay.